Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Drew Stars. Today I'm accompanied with Richie Walker. Oh, doing the screen thing again. Oh, I can't get out of it. We're playing Deadliest Warrior, the video game.
Yep.
Now, yeah, it's based off a old TV show. How old would you say it's been?
Well, this game came out in 2010, and I want to say it came out after like the first season, so like 2009-ish, and then it like ended like maybe 3 years ago. So, yeah, it was.
I actually did not think you'd be able to answer that question. Got it. Oh, you were on top of things. Yeah. And we thought it'd be fun to show you guys playing it, because there's not really much gameplay of it, so we thought we'd remind you guys on it. Give it a shot. But terrible, though. You have your certain guys and their outfits, of course. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, we are not masters of this game.
Yep.
We are cheap. We're going to be kind of competitive about it. How many fights are we going to do?
As many as we can, man.
As many times
I'm going to be the samurai.
I think I'm going to be ninja. China versus Japan. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Do not hold me against that.
Yeah, I don't know much about Asian countries.
And, you know, I love to live on the wild side.
Oh, yeah? That's so?
Yeah.
My guy looks like he's face paint on top of, like, his mouth that's wide open.
It looked like he was smelling something bad.
Like he was about to chomp down on, like, a Big Mac or something, too.
Tin Man versus Pajama Boy. That's the match right here.
This is the Deadliest Warrior.
Oh, yeah.
Ninja? Yeah, right. That's not the Deadliest Warrior. That guy is.
You start up on your knees. Why couldn't I just run up to you, cut your head off, and win?
I thought you were going to say something else.
Oh.
Yeah, since I'm down on my knees. Whatever. You had your chance.
Had my chance. Blew it.
Had your chance and you blew it. Oh, you don't have a shield. This is.
I can block.
I guess the statued horseman helps you out there a little bit.
Yo! Ow!
Yeah, right in the button. Look how many arrows you have in you. Oh, you dodged one. You got a little lucky. You're almost dead already.
This is not even a challenge. No, stay away.
Oh, I'm running into a mini flag. Becky.
No.
Becky. This is stupid. Who put all this stuff here? All these options. Off with his arm.
Oh, man.
That's how you kill a man. Remove his arm.
That's how you kill a man.
Remove his arm.
Go ahead, shoot me after the legs. If I
You
can
already lost all your arrows, so
No.
I don't even have to worry about long-ranged attacks. Ow! Hey! Thought we were keeping this long range, fella. Oh.
I thought you cut me.
Oh, I just cut off your head.
I am
cut off your
terrible
arm
at this.
again, too. With 2 arrows to spare.
Jeez.
Flawless victory.
Just give a stick up your butt when you bow.
Well, this samurai's a little OP, so we'll change it up. Right
Okay,
quick.
warrior select. Good idea. Good idea.
Yep, round 1 goes to the samurai.
So yeah, rack it up. Jake, put down, slap a big 1 for Richie and a big 0
Oh, the game
for
already
Drew.
kind of does that.
Oh, what?
Oh, alright, that's cool.
Oh, I was ninja last round. It wasn't.
I'll be a
I don't know if we qualified that. I will be. I think I will be Centurion.
Alright. Oh, that's just all the stuff that he had. Apparently.
Jeez, I look like a Lucifer now.
Oh, yeah. Well, I got a solid beard thingy.
Looks like a plastic beard?
Yeah. It's a good one, though. Good plastic beard.
Now who will be the deadliest warrior? It would say that after every commercial break. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
They like build you up. You're like, oh, finally they're doing the live
It would be
action scene.
5 of the same person against 5 of that person.
Or it would just be 1v1. Remember the first episode where we were sparring against Ninja?
I don't remember. I don't go that far back. I just remember them doing the 5-on-5s and getting really pissed off a lot.
Yeah. And we're loading.
This is taking a little while here.
Oh, here we go.
Alright, there we go.
do that. I can cut rocks.
Yeah,
What can your guy do?
check out what my guy.
And I have a
does.
shield.
Yeah, look at that walk. And the swag walk, swaying from side to side.
Your guy's butt cheeks were clenched when he was walking.
Hey, it's this kilt. I can hear crickets. Crickets are not pleased. You hear that in the background? I was like, boo, you suck.
Stop it!
Alright, I'll stop that for a second. Give you a chance to gather yourself. Oh, no, okay, I was trying to throw a spear.
What? Are you pressing X or Y to hit me?
No, it's fine.
Oh, it's Y. You're pressing Y. The right trigger?
Okay, well, you just kind of cheapied me after I was cheapying you, and then I, like, walked away, and then you just... Alright, I see how it is.
I was cheapying him, which was weird because it made it look like I was cheaping him.
She was crying. Which made it look like I was crying, which was weird. Hey.
Oh!
Get back here. Sporty Spice with your teleporting. What the hell? What am I doing?
Where go, bro?
Some
Wait,
muscle spasms. I'm clearly hitting your leg. There we go. This game is ridiculous.
It's binocular!
Binoculars!
Crow True 2014.
Oh,
No!
Wow, what a comeback. Yeah. When all hope is gone, just hit X a lot, folks. Hey. Got me off guard there. Take that. Oh, apparently I only have one. Son of a gun. Alright, I'll back it up a little bit here. Okay.
Oh, I got your number now. I got your number now. I got your
my number?
now. Yeah, I got your number. So call me maybe.
Oh, man.
Oh, wait, no, that doesn't work that way.
lost it.
I have your number.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry everybody who's listening. Where's Spike? So,
1 to 1. 1 to
1
1.
point.
Alright, so let's have a little competition, but it's about to go down, folks, because I'm gonna pick up...
the exact same guy, I think.
You picked the pirate already?
Just did.
Oh yeah, you did. Okay, well, let's see. Apache? Have you been the Apache yet?
Nope.
Alright, I'll be the Apache.
Be the naked man.
Oh
Yes,
man,
it's
this is not very promising.
This is primitive.
I'll give it a shot.
That's you.
Randomized. But he's got a lot of blood on him, so you know he's...
Where's the Lone Ranger?
Seen some stuff and things. Lone Ranger.
Because you're the Indian guy.
Yeah, well, at least I'm Johnny Depp. You just look like some... Well, actually, no, we're both Johnny Depp. You're the pirate Johnny Depp from Pirates of the Caribbean.
You just blew my mind.
And, yeah.
We can all be Johnny Depp. We all win.
I want to be Johnny Depp.
But, oh, crap. You have an advantage.
Blackbeard.
What was the point of that
John
scroll?
Redcorn. Some good chopping right there. And
Oh.
where did he just put those?
Where did he put those?
I'm going to turn around just real quick to see.
gonna-
Nope, they're not there, folks. He put them up his butt.
Oh my god.
Up the rectum. Yep.
You shot me with the bow and arrow.
Yeah, I did. Oh.
Oh.
What?
Face.
What?
Face. Look, I have 2 arrows at me like
That's a dull knife that you just removed my head with. Oh yeah, you know what? You're gonna pull out the cheap moves. I'm gonna pull out.
Look at me. Wait, stop for a second. Look at me. What is
Stop
that?
what?
Wait.
It's like holding up. You're a wizard, Harry.
You're a Harry wizard. Oh, I shot you a point
Yeah,
blank.
you shot me. Whatever. Oh, I was just running your body over.
Watch me swim. Just don't shoot me. Just don't shoot me. Watch me swim.
You're drunk, dude. That's why. You're a pirate.
You're
Too much
drunk.
rum.
You sexy.
Oh crap! He's got a gun. Okay.
Now I've got a knife. And
oh no, he's gonna remove my head with it again.
Get back here. Get away! I'll kill you! Fast forward.
What are you doing that's making you do that?
What do you got? Oh. I'm gonna smoke my basil and drink my
Rum.
rum.
Yeah, pretty sure that's pen ink, but enjoy.
Captain, that's panic. You sexy. Alright.
Alright.
You said you like some competition. Can you feel the heat now?
Oh, I'm feeling it.
Yeah.
Well,
Woo! Yeah, Apache sucks, by the way.
I think that's just the humidity, but
I think that's your house slack.
here we go. Centurion.
Knight. Knight.
Are there only 8? There's only 8.
Actually,
Okay, that's pretty cool.
oh!
Centurion.
Yeah, I'll take that army. That's it.
Time for you to get a watch.
Press Y, X, or A.
Yeah,
That's
thanks
the
for the
movement
tips.
attack.
I'm just gonna keep hitting X and B.
Dude, I'm gonna see my evasion moves. They are hilarious.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna try right bumper a little bit, get some grabs in here.
Oh, it's a grapple? No, that's like a twirl thing.
Well, one of the guys, it was to like head smash, I remember.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, hopefully the Centurion's got something up his sleeve,
Up his...
up his skirt.
Oh, yeah, I look light on my feet. I'm ready to go.
You look like you don't know how to fight. Yeah, look at this guy.
What's the guy with the broom on his head? Oh,
Boom.
or a fan?
Jackass. Yeah, it's a fan, obviously. Nice shield, how about you use it?
Okay.
Put down your shield, loser, and fight me like a man. Oh, what
where's your shield now?
This has gone terrible. Oh. Well, that was not what I was looking for. I'm running away. I'm doing the run.
Oh! In the dark of the night, we shall find her. Hey, Richie.
That was cool. Gave him a little bash. Little Franklin and bash. Oh! Oh! Back it up! I got him on his last limb!
I got you
Going for the kill! Oh! Back it up. Swung through his shield.
Is it like a shin? Oh, get some hot shin action.
Oh, man. It is, but a flesh wound. Kind of look like that dude.
What?
From Monty Python and the Holy Grail. No,
Oh. There's
flesh
actually an
wound.
achievement called that in the game.
That's cool.
Where if you're you have grenades as the... Hey, step off, hey, step off!
What you sound like.
Step off!
Alright, round 5. Probably going to be repeating characters here, but, whatever.
Who cares?
This
Well,
will be the last round.
Like it again, it would really help us out, get our channel going, and thanks for watching.